Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about the top 3 smart contract plays besides Ethereum, because Ethereum is king, queen of crypto, if you want to say that. Number 2 crypto currently, and there are some other projects that are just doing exactly what they're doing and a little bit differently as well, and so you got to keep your eye on some of the competition in the market. Can't just look at McDonald's, you got to look at Burger King, you got to look at In-N-Out Burger and the rest of them as well, because there's competitors out there and you can invest in those businesses, those cryptos as well. So stick around to the end of the video to find out exactly what projects I'm talking about today. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, take advantage of the free money in the links in the description down below. You get free $25 when you sign up for crypto.com, and you get up to $4,100 when you deposit money into Femex using our referral code below. That could be a $100,000 trade if you take advantage of it, guys. That is all I got. And let's hop into the charts. So, taking a peek here at the cryptos for the day. We're actually up quite a little bit here, so let's just refresh and make sure these prices are accurate. So about $21,400 for Bitcoin, $1,200 for Ethereum. We're almost back to $1 trillion, guys, which is very, very, very exciting, and I imagine we are coming up to some resistance for the overall crypto market cap. And when you take a peek at the Bitcoin chart for the day here, and let's just look at the last year, you know, we're still definitely in a downtrend. You look at the last 3 months, we are finding this floor here, but the floor could fall out from under us in a matter of 2 days. So, honestly, the weekends have been pretty decent lately. I'm imagining, you know, the news of the week is the thing that might bring us back down next week if we come down. And I'm anticipating we do come down. But what are the top 3 smart contract plays that you guys should be picking outside of Ethereum? Well, Ethereum's number 1. We know that. It's up 20% over the last 7 days. But there's a lot of others, guys. There are a lot of other options for you to pick. And, you know, there's a couple different ways for you to research, you know, exactly what coins that you want to have. But let's do this here. So when you look at coin market cap, they have different categories here. So cryptocurrencies is a category. You can click over here and it gives you another set of categories over here. This is the DeFi category. And so it goes by the top DeFi projects. Now, when you do this, this is interesting. DAI is currently number 1 in terms of market cap. Avalanche is number 2. So, does that mean something? Also, keep in mind, there's an Avalanche tab on here. Now, there's also a Polkadot, BNB, and Solana tab, Avalanche, and a metaverse tab. So, these tabs are important. There's DeFi, NFT, metaverse, Polkadot, BNB, Solana, Avalanche. But when you click on the DeFi tab, look, here is Avalanche. Uniswap is up there. Chainlink, Theta, Tezos, Maker, Aave, the Graph, Loopring, Basic Attention Token. So there's a lot that are up here, and some of these are questionably, you know, are they DeFi? But it's interesting to look at, and Avalanche is most certainly DeFi, and so is DAI. But Avalanche is looking very strong there. What happens when you click on Avalanche? What do they got in the Avalanche ecosystem that's top? You know, okay, so you see some Sushi Swap, you see some Ren. But I wanted to show you guys that. Another thing that I like to look at to determine some of these smart contract plays is I like to take a peek at Defi Llama. So on Defi Llama, you will see when you go over to the chains, you will see that Ethereum makes up 64% of all the total value locked up in the DeFi space. But there are others in here, and as you'll see, Avalanche has a big piece of it. Avalanche is currently number 4. Binance Smart Chain is number 2. Tron is number 3. Now, what are the top altcoin strategies? What are the top alternative Ethereum projects that you should be looking into? Well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a peek at Defi Llama, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I think you should pick based off that. I'm going to pass over Binance Smart Chain because I'm going to classify that as an exchange token. And I believe that that's a fair thing to do because they have the largest crypto exchange in the world. And I think that this coin is more to do with that company and that DeFi project in competing with the other exchange tokens. Now, I'm going to lump Binance token, BNB, in with like Cronos, which is also something I will exclude today, even though this is at number 7. So let's take a peek at Tron, Avalanche, Solana, Polygon, Phantom, Waves, Arbitum, because these are the top 10 total value locked up DeFi plays. As you'll see, there's some others, Kava, Osmosis, Cello, but let's focus in on the top boys. When you're looking for alternates to Ethereum, you should first of all have some Ethereum. And you should take a peek at Defi Llama. You should see that there is $4 billion locked up in Tron. And you should see there's $2.83 billion locked up in Avalanche. And that right there is huge, guys. Tron is a big project. Tron's kind of got a funny name. It has gotten some bad rap. I don't understand why there's a lot of negative folks on Tron. Tron's a solid project. They've been around for a very long time, and they've been working on developing everything they've got going on. Now, I'll show you this, that in the last 7 days, Avalanche is up 12% versus Tron's 5%. So Avalanche is moving a little quicker. And it's got 219 protocols versus Tron. So that's big. And when you look at 219 protocols versus Ethereum, that's a lot of protocols to have compared to Ethereum. I mean, they've almost got half as many. Polygon as well, Phantom. But look at that, guys. Avalanche with 219 protocols. Very fantastic. Very fantastic to see. So here's my ranking. If you're not going to get Ethereum, or you've already got your Ethereum and you're looking for another smart contract play, you got to take a peek at Avalanche, guys. And this is why. 219 smart contract plays, $2.83 billion locked up in total value locked up. Tron is also my second pick. Tron has $4.14 billion locked up in DeFi. That is massive. And now for my curveball. What is my third smart contract play? I'll give you a second to think about it. Second's over. It's Zilliqa. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So when you go to the CoinMarketCap and you look at the charts, you see Tron and Avalanche right here. You see them at about $6 billion, okay? I believe that that is fair value for any good smart contract play that has DeFi. Now, Zilliqa has a lot of work to do on DeFi, but they are making strides. Now, check out Zilliqa here, up 48% on the week. When you go to the website and you check out Zilliqa.com and you go over and you check out their DeFi tab and you look at how much they have total value locked up, they're at $245 million. $245 million is locked up in their DeFi. So they've got strides ahead of them. And why would I pick something that is such little value compared to Avalanche and Tron in their locked up value? Well, because of the potential, guys. Because it's kind of exciting that that isn't there yet. This project has been around for a while. They've got their own metaverse. They've got a lot going on. And I believe that they have a chance to get their developer community, and they're climbing rank. They're not ranked 66 now. I believe they have a chance to climb up and join the rankings of the rest of them. And if they can get a $6 billion market cap, guys, these guys have 500,000 followers on Twitter. They're doing such frequent activity by posting on Twitter. They have a lot of partnerships. But when you look at the market cap, they've currently got a $627 million market cap. If they 10x, they're even with Avalanche and Tron. So keep that in mind. That is insane to think about. A 10x gets them even with Avalanche and Tron. And should they be on that level yet? Not yet. No, they have a lot of work to do. But if they get half the way there, I mean, the upside's huge. There's less volume in this market. And so you have more of a chance to move this price upward. Not you, but the market has a stronger chance of getting greater price appreciation on an asset that has a smaller market cap because more money can flow into it and it'll affect the price greater. That's just how it works. So To review, I'm going to pick Avalanche because of the number of protocols that it has. I'm going to pick Tron because it is the number 3 under Ethereum and Binance. And then I'm going to pick Zilliqa as my third one because, guys, you can't ignore Zill, and it's a great project, and I'm all about it. I love its metaverse. It's coming up, guys. It's going to get into the top 50 in no time. I believe it's going to be a top 20 coin in the next 2 to 5 years. I think in the next bull run, you're going to see Zilliqa in the top 10. Mark my words. Mark my words. At least the top 20. At least the top 20, guys. That's all I got for you in today's video. I am Crypto Kip, and this is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you have to remember, DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Take care.